got black, love, and confidence too. Got the quintessential and you loving you. Baby, you are a queen.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So as you see, my hair is all dry and everything, and that's not good for the winter time. So I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo my hair using Uncle Funky's Daughter Rich and Funky Moisturizing Cleanser. You don't see this step, but I actually did shampoo my hair twice just to make sure that my hair is extra clean, because we're about to do a cute style and we need to do this on clean hair. So now that I have good old shampoo all lathered throughout my hair, I did went on ahead and rinsed it out, and this is how it's looking. Now I'm about to hydrate my hair using the Richie Rich Hydrating Conditioner. So I love this conditioner because it really hydrates my hair and it's really great for detangling. Like, all I do is just use my fingers first to help detangle it, and then I just follow up with my detangling comb as you see, and voila, there are no tangles. So I left this on my hair for about 15 minutes. I rinsed it out, and now I'm going to be using the Ultimate Kinky and Curly Travel Kit. And in that travel kit, I'm reaching to get the Midnight Train Leave-In Conditioner. So I'm just spraying that throughout my hair until I feel that it's evenly coated. And so now this next step, I actually blow dry my hair to help stretch it out. So I'm just going to show y'all how I do that. So I am using my blow dryer with the brush on there, and I'm just going to be stretching it out a little. Now I normally, as my routine, do a heatless blowout, but for the sake of this video I just decided to use this blow dryer just to help my process get, go a little smoother and a little faster. But after I blow dry my hair, I'm just combing out any tangles, and this is how my hair looks with it all stretched out. So now I'm just going to be twisting my hair up. I did part my hair into 4 sections just so that way when I do style my hair, it can be easier for me to do. So anytime I style my hair, I like to work from the back going to the front. So I am going to be applying some Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream on my hair as my styler. So I will be doing a braid and curl today. So it will be on dry hair as you see as my hair is dry. So I'm not going to be actually applying too much of this cream on there. I'm just going to be applying enough to where it can actually hold my style without reverting my hair or my curl pattern back to its normal or natural state. So I'm just braiding it, and then when I get towards the end, I apply some more, and I do get my detangling brush to make sure that there's no tangles, and I just apply it and roll it up on my rod, and I snap it, and I just keep repeating the same steps. So since it is the holiday time, I am going to be achieving a cute glam look. So just keep on watching towards the end. That way you can see how I'm actually going to style my hair. And also, just an FYI, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Press the subscribe button. And also press the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my future videos. But anyway, so after I actually braided my hair and did all of this, I actually slept in these overnight. So this is the next day, and so I'm just taking these down, and as you see, the hair is looking amazing as it bounced up. Yes. So I'm just going to be unraveling these, and after I do that, I will be taking down the braids, and I take them down very carefully, and then after I take them down, I will be using my pick to give volume, and then yeah, keep on watching so you can see the end of it. So after I separated everything, I used my pick to fluff it out, and this is the ending results. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you guys actually love this holiday glam look. Go ahead and give my video a thumbs up and check out my description box for more information. I love y'all. Happy holidays. Christmas time.